Hi everybody, I'm here with my navigator Tom we'll be talking about chapter 10, creating your own JavaScript word game. So this chapter is basically just about like a word replacement game as seen in this block here. So if we go to Chrome, you'll see we've got it here. So these little blocks are originally blank and then you fill them out. You know, there's quite a few here, and when you're done, it creates this random well, it's not random, it's set, but all your words that you chose are put into this story. So if we go here, let me just get it out quickly, sorry. Okay, we didn't use CSS for this one. So in your HTML, don't forget to always link your reference sheets and obviously your source, which is your JavaScript source. So if we go here, you'll see this is where the code is. So all these let IDs and stuff are basically where your words are supposed to be. So when you add in your maybe like your adjective, your verb, or the room or the color, you know, that basically replaces everything and adds it to the story. So here, as you can see, let me make this a little bit smaller. So if we go to our console sources here, okay, now I'm going to make this bigger. So you can see in line 18, we have an example. So we chose a city. That city was New York City, NYC. So here, the replacement function basically goes to fetch what you inserted here as at city. So that would obviously be NYC as seen over there. And then going into creating the story itself, we'll see in line 34 that it gets inserted into the story. So here's what's originally there, and there's where your city would be imported. So another example would be maybe the room, that's line 7, and to match that one, it would be, let me just find it quickly here, I think it's line 25. So in line 7, you obviously replace the word with whatever room you put, and I think that one was the bedroom that we put in. Yes. So here it will go and fetch room and house as bedroom. And in line 25, it goes to fetch bedroom from here and insert it into the story there, room and house, as bedroom. So we basically played around with that today. As you can see, it's all there. You can also watch the function. So if you go to watch, you can add, we'll just go room and house. You can add that. And then set your breakpoints. Let me just replace it. Because in this instance, the button activates your debugger. So you'll see here, let me just do that again, room in house, you can watch it, let's step over, you know, it basically just appears there. So it replaces it, it goes and finds it for you, replaces it. Now you can do that with every one of those. Obviously you just have to type them all in, but it gets replaced once hitting line 25. So yeah, and in the VS Code in HTML you can see that here is the button ID. This creates the button on the page for you to use to replace the text. So yeah, that's chapter 10. Anything you'd like to add, Tom?
No, I don't think so. But yeah, you were mentioning how it fetches the value. So that's basically what it does, right? Like it fetches the value and
Yes,
then it
so
stores it. Yeah.
obviously you
Uh,
insert your value in here, right? And then if you look at line 7, um, the value is there, right? But that's going to fetch the value in line 7 to insert it into line 25. So obviously once you skip down and
uh,
everything, the value is inserted into the story. It does that for all of these here.
yeah, yeah. I actually understand it better when you explain it like that. Yeah,
Cool.
I see.
So then that's everything. Cool.